Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Echo and Vision. If you're interested in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. The US dollar's dominance is fading. What's next for the global financial system? Welcome back to Echo and Vision, where we explore the future of finance, technology, and global trends. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical topics of our time: the potential collapse of the US dollar and the rise of a new global financial system. For decades, the US dollar has been the world's reserve currency, dominating international trade, oil transactions, and global finance. But what if I told you that this era is coming to an end? What if the dollar's dominance is crumbling, and a new financial system is emerging? In this video, we'll explore why the US dollar is under threat, what's replacing it, and how this shift will impact your wealth, investments, and the global economy. Let's get started. 1. 2. The decline of the US dollar. 3. The US dollar's dominance began after World War II with the Bretton Woods Agreement, which tied global currencies to the dollar and the dollar to gold. 4. But in 1971, President Nixon ended the gold standard, making the dollar a fiat currency backed by nothing but trust in the US government. Fast forward to today, and that trust is eroding. Here's why. 1. Runaway debt. The US national debt has skyrocketed to over $34 trillion. 2. This unsustainable level of borrowing is raising concerns about the dollar's long-term stability. 3. Inflation. The Federal Reserve's money-printing spree during the pandemic has led to rampant inflation, reducing the dollar's purchasing power. 4. De-dollarization. Countries like China, Russia, India, and even US allies are moving away from the dollar. 5. They're settling trade in local currencies, hoarding gold, and creating alternatives to the dollar-dominated SWIFT system. Geopolitical shifts. The US's use of the dollar as a weapon, through sanctions and financial warfare, has pushed nations to seek alternatives. The dollar's decline isn't happening overnight, but the cracks are undeniable. 1. So, what's next? 2. The rise of a new financial system. 3. As the dollar weakens, a new financial system is emerging. 4. Here's what it could look like. 5. Digital currencies. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are being developed by countries worldwide. China's digital yuan is already in use, and the US is exploring a digital dollar. 1. These currencies could replace physical cash and reshape global finance. 2. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other decentralized cryptocurrencies are gaining traction as alternatives to fiat currencies. 3. They offer transparency, security, and independence from government control. 4. Gold-backed systems. Some nations are returning to gold as a stable store of value. 5. A gold-backed currency system could emerge as a hedge against fiat currency volatility. Multipolar currency system. Instead of one dominant currency, we could see a basket of currencies, like the Chinese yuan, euro, and even cryptocurrencies, sharing global reserve status. BRICS and beyond. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are working on a new reserve currency to challenge the dollar. This could shift the balance of power in global finance. The new financial system will likely be more decentralized, digital, and diverse. But what does this mean for you? How this affects you? The collapse of the dollar and the rise of a new financial system will have profound implications. Wealth preservation. If the dollar loses value, assets like gold, silver, and cryptocurrencies could become essential for preserving wealth. Investments. Traditional stocks and bonds tied to the dollar may underperform. Diversifying into international markets, commodities, and digital assets could be crucial. Daily life. A weaker dollar could lead to higher prices for imports, travel, and everyday goods. Global power shifts. The US's economic dominance could wane, leading to a more multipolar world where emerging economies like China and India play a larger role. Opportunities. Every crisis brings opportunities. Those who adapt early to the new financial system could thrive in the changing landscape. What you can do to prepare. So, how can you prepare for this seismic shift? Here are some actionable steps. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in assets that aren't tied to the dollar, like gold, cryptocurrencies, and international stocks. Educate yourself. Stay informed about global financial trends and emerging technologies like blockchain and CBDCs. Reduce debt. Inflation erodes the value of debt, but it's still wise to minimize liabilities in uncertain times. Explore alternative currencies. Consider holding a portion of your wealth in stablecoins, Bitcoin, or other digital assets. Stay flexible. The future is unpredictable. Be ready to adapt as the financial landscape evolves. Conclusion. The end of the US dollar's dominance isn't just a possibility, it's already happening. A new financial system is emerging, and it will reshape the world as we know it. Here's a concise and actionable explanation on how to invest in the current situation of a potential US dollar decline and the rise of a new financial system. How to invest in a shifting financial landscape as the US dollar's dominance wanes and a new financial system emerges. Investors must adapt to protect and grow their wealth. Start by diversifying your portfolio to reduce reliance on dollar-denominated assets. Consider allocating a portion of your investments into hard assets like gold and silver, which have historically preserved value during currency crises. Additionally, explore cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which offer a hedge against inflation and fiat currency devaluation. Next, look beyond traditional markets. International stocks and ETFs in emerging markets, particularly in BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, could benefit from a multipolar financial system. Real estate in stable or growing economies is another option to safeguard wealth. Finally, stay informed about central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, and blockchain technology, as these innovations will likely play a key role in the future of finance. The key is to remain flexible and proactive. While no one can predict the exact outcome of this transition, a well-diversified portfolio across asset classes, geographies, and currencies can help you navigate uncertainty and capitalize on new opportunities. At Echo and Vision, we believe in empowering you with the knowledge to navigate these changes. So, what do you think about the future of the dollar and the rise of a new financial system? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of finance and technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.